AI Job Apocalypse, Frequency Healer, Biofield Tech. Welcome to the AI Job Apocalypse series. I'm Adeline Atlas, 11 times published author, and this is the future of work as you've never seen it before. This job spotlight focuses on a role that was once mocked as pseudoscience, but is now being rapidly integrated into clinical recovery, trauma repair, and digital wellness. The frequency healer, or what the industry now calls a biofield tech specialist. What is a frequency healer, biofield tech specialist? This is a job for those who work not on the physical body but on the energetic field surrounding it, what quantum biology and integrative medicine call the biofield. Once dismissed as woo, the biofield is now a scientific frontier being mapped by physicists, neurologists, and wearable tech innovators. A frequency healer specializes in manipulating and harmonizing the human energy field through non-invasive vibrational methods. These include tools like tuning forks, sound bowls, PEMF mats, pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, red light therapy, Rife frequency generators, EMF harmonizers, and even binaural beat systems or AI-powered frequency diagnostics. But this is no longer just candles and sound baths. The new generation of biofield techs use precise, measurable frequency tools integrated with biometric scanners, emotion mapping AI, and neural feedback systems to treat real imbalances, such as inflammation, trauma imprints, nervous system dysregulation, or even sleep disorders. This is the merger of ancient energetic wisdom and next-gen wellness technology. It's where sound meets science, and it's becoming one of the fastest-growing alternative medicine roles of the 2030 economy. What does the job actually involve? The job can take many forms, depending on where the practitioner is working. In high-end wellness clinics or regenerative healing centers, a biofield tech conducts frequency scans on the body using AI-integrated software that detects disruptions in the energy field. These disruptions may show up as emotional trauma, muscular inflammation, electromagnetic overload, or organ disharmony, well before they become diagnosable illness. Once mapped, the practitioner then uses a personalized suite of tools, like PEMF beds, light frequency devices, tuning fork calibration, or digital harmonic resonance therapy, to recalibrate the client's field. Sessions might also include voice analysis, bioresonance feedback, scalar wave technology, or geometric frequency alignment to stimulate coherence in the body's electromagnetic system. Some practitioners design fully immersive protocols, pairing frequency therapy with breathwork, AI-guided meditation, trauma-informed somatic release, or virtual reality biofeedback environments. Others specialize in remote frequency delivery through quantum entanglement models or wearable tech programmed with specific resonance algorithms. The most advanced biofield techs aren't just healing bodies, they're reprogramming human systems using sound, light, and vibration as medicine. Where are these practitioners working? Frequency healers are now being hired in a range of industries once considered out of reach for holistic practitioners. Luxury health clinics, wellness retreats, longevity labs, and elite trauma recovery centers now offer frequency diagnostics and healing as part of their core services. Biofield techs are employed alongside MDs, psychologists, and naturopaths as part of integrated recovery teams. Digital wellness startups. Companies are building frequency-based apps, devices, and wearables that offer real-time EMF protection, nervous system regulation, or mood support. These startups hire frequency experts to test protocols, train AI on vibrational language, and design new products. Home frequency consultants. Just like interior designers, people are now hiring specialists to harmonize their homes using EMF blocking paint, Tesla coils, Schumann resonance generators, and biofield-safe smart tech. You walk into their space, scan it, and tune it to healing. Content and course creators. Some biofield techs now run massive online platforms, teaching frequency protocols, selling digital sound healing programs, and licensing their AI-coded sessions to meditation apps, trauma apps, and performance companies. Required skills and training. Let's break this down. Being a biofield tech doesn't mean you just wave a crystal around and call it a day. The real pros have a hybrid background in human anatomy and physiology, not to diagnose, but to understand systems, quantum biology and resonance theory, frequency tools and device operation, PMF mats, Rife tech, red light therapy, etc. Somatic trauma understanding, especially for healing emotional imprints stored in the field. AI biofeedback integration, knowing how to read energetic scans from wearable tech. Voice, sound, and light modulation. You might start with training in sound healing, Reiki, or energy medicine. But to make serious income in this space, you'll need certifications in biofeedback, frequency mapping, PEMF protocols, or digital detox technology. Some practitioners train in software like Healy, AO-Scan, or Resonant Tech, while others work directly with developers to create frequency AI systems that adapt based on biometric input. You'll also need to develop a deep intuitive understanding of vibrational language, human behavior, emotional resonance, and energetic sovereignty. Income potential. Let's get to what really matters when you're choosing a new job in a collapsing economy. How much does this pay, and is there a future in it? Top-tier frequency practitioners in the private wellness sector, especially those working in concierge regenerative health clinics or trauma recovery centers, are charging $500 to $2,000 per session, depending on whether biometric tech or light field chambers are used. That's on par with high-level therapists and performance coaches. Mid-level practitioners with a home-based or mobile practice often build monthly retainer models for clients, earning $10K to $30K a month running low-overhead sessions with tools like tuning forks, EMF calibration devices, or virtual resonance programs. Biofield techs working for digital wellness startups, frequency device companies, or wellness AI apps are being hired full-time at competitive salaries, often with licensing deals or IP-sharing contracts, especially if they co-develop frequency protocols, meditation libraries, or guided sound AI tools. Creators monetizing their knowledge through courses, product kits, and AI-guided meditations are building 6- and 7-figure businesses online, packaging ancient wisdom in modern formats and selling it to an audience desperate for regulation and relief. Industry outlook. The global wellness market has already crossed the $5 trillion mark, and frequency-based healing is one of its fastest-growing categories. As distrust in pharmaceuticals grows and chronic illnesses remain misunderstood by traditional systems, people are flocking to frequency. Add to that the skyrocketing demand for nervous system regulation, EMF detox, and burnout recovery, and you've got a market poised for explosive growth. By 2030, expect to see insurance companies covering PEMF and red light therapy. Expect tech giants to acquire bioresonance startups. Expect smart homes and wearables to include built-in EMF harmonizers and frequency wellness presets for sleep, stress, and cognition. In other words, the wave is coming. And those who understand how to work with the human frequency field, not just chemistry or cognition, will be in highest demand. Why this job matters. Now, we are entering a time where invisible energy will become the visible battleground. Our nervous systems are fried. Our biofields are overloaded with electromagnetic chaos, synthetic signals, and unprocessed trauma. And while AI may optimize logistics and content, humans are begging for coherence, clarity, and calm. Frequency healers are not just wellness workers. They're biodigital regulators in a synthetic war. They teach the body how to remember peace. They teach the field how to protect itself. And they remind the system that nature still wins, when wielded with intelligence. If you're someone who feels energy, understands emotional patterns, and is ready to blend tech with ancient wisdom, this job wasn't just made for you. It's your legacy. This was Frequency Healer, Biofield Tech, just one of the careers being reborn in the fallout of the AI job apocalypse. You don't have to settle for irrelevance. You don't have to panic about automation. You just need to learn where the future is growing and get there first. Hi, I am Adeline Atlas, 11 times published author, and SOS, School of Soul has a brand new series, the AI and Future Technology series. Look, you know the world is changing, and no, it's not going back to normal. Normal is over, and what's coming next is beyond anything we were prepared for. The School of Soul, AI and Future Technology series includes 319 videos on 1. The Download Society, How Data Has Replaced Destiny. 2. Predictive Future, Your next moves aren't random, they're forecasted. 3. Social Credit Systems, The Behavioral Economy Now Governs Access. 4. Hive Mind, Synthetic Telepathy and Collective Algorithmic Control. 5. Nanobots Inside You, Medical, Military, and Programmable Intrusions. 6. Grief Tech, AI-fueled digital resurrection and simulated comfort. 7. Uploading Your Mind, Consciousness Transfer and Data-Based Identity. 8. Deep Fakes plus AI Clones, The Replication of Reality and Identity Theft. 9. Quantum Humans, The Merger of Biology with Quantum Systems. 10. Digital Afterlife, Where Your Data Goes When You Die. 11. Resurrection Science, Reviving Life Through Synthetic Methods. 12. Immortal Science, The End of Death as We Know It. 13. Longevity Science, Gene Editing, Anti-Aging, and Bio-Upgrades. 14. Designer Babies, Engineered Perfection Before Birth. 15. Artificial Wombs, Birth Decoupled from the Female Body. 16. 3D Printing, Printing Organs, Limbs, and even humans. 17. The Humanoid Era, The Rise of Synthetic Beings Among Us. 18. Legacy Humans, The Slow Phase-Out of Unmodified Analog People. 19. Smart Cities, Algorithmic Environments That Watch and Decide. 20. Cloud-Based Societies, Citizenship Without Borders or Bodies. 21. Hackable Humans, Emotion, Memory, and Behavior Under Code. 22. Biometric Scanning, Your Body is Your Password and Your Prison. 23. Sex Tech, Intimacy Reprogrammed by Machines. 24. Extinction of Gender, Fluidity, Deletion, and Design of Identity. Every topic is fully explored with real-world technologies, patents, case studies, ethical analysis, and future forecasts. These aren't someday discussions. This is already happening. Join the SOS School of Soul Vault to overstand the future before it's implemented on you.